Man, I love me some meatballs because you can make them in so many different ways and they taste totally different. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a cheesy Mexican meatball. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have. Right here, we have our ground beef. We have some plain bread crumbs, some cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, minced garlic, onion powder, garlic powder, chopped onions, black pepper, Mexican oregano, W sauce, hot sauce, cumin, chili powder, and right here we have about 10 ounces in this measuring cup in this dish of red enchilada sauce. This is 1/4 of a cup, and then I use the rest I put in this dish. So we're gonna divide it up, and you'll see how we do it. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, to get started, we're gonna start dumping all our ingredients except some of the enchilada sauce and our cheese. So I didn't say salt, but we definitely gonna add some salt to this. So we're gonna do about a teaspoon of salt, our black pepper and oregano, chili powder and cumin, onion powder and garlic powder, our minced garlic, add those onions, and W sauce, our bread crumbs, hot sauce, enchilada sauce, and our eggs. Yep, you guessed it, we about to get dirty, all right? So get you some gloves or take your hands, whatever. I ain't tripping. If you want to use your bare hands, you can. You eating your own food. I don't know why people get all riled up when people don't have on gloves. You ain't eating none of their food. You watching it on YouTube, all right? So let's go ahead and get this mixed up. That be tripping me out. People be getting mad. People be like, man, why you ain't got on gloves? And I'm like, they ain't invite you to their house, man. Why you worried about if these people wearing gloves or not? That's their food. You ain't eating it. The only people that need to be worried about somebody wearing gloves are the people that's eating the food. If they trust them not to wear them, shit, that's their business. All right, let's get back to the recipe. I'm going off on a rant. And you want to make sure you get this mix real good. So it'll take you a couple of minutes. Let's go ahead and continue. All right, so we're gonna take our baking dish. Now you can use a 9x13. I'm using this casserole dish here. It works pretty good for this recipe. And we're just gonna spray it with some cooking spray. And we can turn this way, bring our meat mixture back into the shot. And guys, I'm gonna use a scooper. This is like a cookie scooper to make our meatballs. Now, you can make them as big or small as you want. I think I'm gonna use, I don't know if I'm gonna use this medium sized one. Let's see how it is, how it goes, see what it looks like. But typically want about 2 tablespoons. Take a look at that. Let's see if that one there is gonna work. I'm just gonna sit it there just in case. I'm gonna do the next size. Take a look at that one. Yeah, that's a nice size right there. I think I'm gonna use that size. So guys, you see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these meatballs rolled up. Then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. All right, so now that we finished forming all our meatballs, we're just gonna take the remaining of our enchilada sauce and we're gonna pour it over the top of our meatballs like this. Guys, take a look at that right there. Oh man. All right, so take a look at that. Now we're gonna cover it with some aluminum foil. And we're gonna place this in a preheated oven on 350 degrees and we're gonna let it cook for 30 minutes. I'm gonna place it in my parents' room air fryer. I love that thing, man. Y'all need to get one of them. The link is in the video description, all right? All right, guys, so we're 30 minutes in. Let's remove the veil. Oh man, this is what we got. Take a look at that right there. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cheddar cheese and we're just gonna sprinkle over the top like that. And guys, I got a little mozzarella. Also, I'm just gonna add that to it. Also, you don't have to do this, but I had just some little extra mozzarella in here. And I need to go ahead and get rid of it. So I'm gonna add it here. Matter of fact, you can use whatever cheese you want, to be honest. Just like that. Now we're gonna put it back into the oven, same temperature for 10 more minutes and let that cheese melt, all right? And this is what we have, an additional 10 minutes into the oven. And all we're gonna do to finish it off, Let's add some green to it. So I got some, if you got some cilantro, you can do some cilantro. I don't have any cilantro, so I'm just gonna top it off with some green onions. You know, that'll work. Or if you got some parsley, use parsley. Really doesn't matter. Just wanna kind of brighten it up, liven it up, make those colors pop out. And there you have it, guys. Cheesy Mexican meatballs. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. I'm gonna leave the measurements and ingredients in the video description below. Like always, let's jump into quality control. And yes, we're here for quality control. I have my meatballs here, guys. Let's go ahead and test them out. Look at that. Oh man, they hot too. Oh. I want to drop the plate. Oh man, these babies are delicious. Oh, the enchilada sauce, I need some of that. Guys, you can eat this like it is, put it over a bed of rice, however you want to do it, man. But just make these meatballs. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. It's all wings, everything. Remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.